Hi, welcome to In Stitches with Mary. It's December and I'm here to get you in the holiday spirit. How cute is this idea to give as a gift or keep for yourself? And I cannot tell you how simple it is to put together. It is a towel boa. So this goes around your neck and you always have a towel handy. What is neat about this one is that the towels are interchangeable. You can take these out and put in a dry towel when they get wet. So I want to show you how quick and easy this is to do, and you're going to be on a roll making a lot of them. To put this towel boa together, you're going to need two things. You're going to need 1/3 yard of fabric, 12 inches by the width of the fabric, and you're going to need 2 heavy-duty hair ties. That's what I found has worked the best for me. And you might have these at home already or know of somebody who has them. You're going to take the fabric and cut the selvages off and press under 1/2 inch on each end. Now, if you are shorter than I am, and I'm fairly tall, I use the full width of the fabric. You might want to try this on and see, do you want the full width or do you want that a little bit shorter, and make those adjustments. Turn each end under 1/2 inch, and then while you're at the ironing board, you're going to press this in half so that you get a halfway mark. We're going to use that crease as a guide, and then we're going to unfold it and press each of our long cut edges to that center crease that we just made. And you're going to give that all a good pressing, keeping the ends pressed under. You're then going to press that in half. We are going to stitch all the way around this, but before we do that, we're going to insert our hair tie. Set that inside the last time you folded it under, and you can kind of flatten this out, but don't stretch it. You can kind of flatten it out, and when you stitch across here, you're just going to stitch right across that elastic. It's a little thick. You might have to push and pull it a little bit as it goes through your sewing machine, but you can get it in there. And I like to flatten it a little bit. It brings it a little closer to each end, but it does fit, and it works really well. So you're going to do that on both ends, and I just did a real close edge stitch, about 1/8 inch from the edge. You can do a 1/4 inch if you want to, if you're more comfortable doing that. And you stitch all the way around. All that's left to do is to insert your towels. Here's the one I did with a red neck strap. And the towels just get inserted inside that loop. And you are ready to start baking those cookies. Are you ready for Christmas? I hope you've enjoyed this. The directions, the patterns for this, if you need it, are available at Neil's. They're just $5. Give us a call. Merry Christmas.